read through page 19 of Rikki Tikki Tavi, correct? Yes. Yes. Okay. So now, again, somebody messed up my board. Purple on my pink. Okay. Today, these green cards have to do with that story, right? So we had conflict. We were talking about external and internal. We had basic situation. We had plot. We had something, what was our other? Foreshadowing, right? Those are our literary terms that we wrote down on Monday, correct? Okay, yesterday you did the purple and the pink because you hadn't read the story yet. Today you are going to choose a purple, a pink, and a green. Okay? And write this out. Everybody has their own paper. Now, you might get the same card again. If it's a definition card, I want you to write it down again. Because remember, tomorrow we have a quiz over those definitions, the literary definitions, and your vocabulary out of your book. Okay? But none of you chose a green card yesterday, so you all need to get every green card done today. Okay? So after you're done with your card, bring it back up so another group can choose it. So you're going to start out by choosing a purple, a pink, and a green. If you had them before, that's okay. It's still review. Okay? It's helping you get ready for your test tomorrow. But you won't have had the green. So write out the question, write out your answer, and then put the card back, get another one. Okay? As a group. Some of these are going to be a little tough. You're going to have your book open to find character names, spell them correctly, and foreshadowing, hints of foreshadowing that we talked about, and those things. Okay, so have your book open. We read through page 19. Anthony, you have a question?
What if we have finished our pink and
That's fine. You can come back and get those. Finish that up today. Okay? Anybody else have a question? Everybody should have a piece of paper out, and everybody should have their book open. It starts on page 16. Okay? Any questions? All right. You're busy. Yes, sir. Good job. Yep. Put it over there. Thank you.
Today I demonstrated one strategy I use in my language arts class. I used a choice board. We are learning literary terms such as plot, conflict, foreshadowing, etc. We are also learning vocabulary words from a fictional story, Rikki Tikki Tavi. The choice board has different activities for students to choose and work on in groups. It is varied from easy to harder questions. My groups are varied with different levels of ability. Each student is responsible for writing out their answers, but they help each other in the group. Also in the choice board questions, they have to apply it to their lives. For instance, give an example of foreshadowing from a movie or book they have read. After reading Rikki Tikki Tavi, they have to give an example of foreshadowing from the story. Having them give examples of foreshadowing from a movie or book they enjoyed will help them tie their interests to our literary terms. Using a choice board also gives them the opportunity to choose which questions to answer. My board is colored, and I have them choose one card of each color. That way they have a variety of questions from easy to hard.
What? Oh, it's just a definition? Oh, I just know one new. Is that from US?
A friend told you something. Marcos last night, he was sitting at home and watching TV, and the dog jumped up in his lap and knocked over his phone. Okay, here's the character name. Marcus and his dog. Okay. What happened? What's the situation? He's sitting at home on his couch watching TV. What is going on? about someone from your family, or something that you have relatives or friends. Okay, if a family member didn't tell you.
Eddie's mother might just as well Eddie.
I also have non-English speaking students in my class, and I did oral reading with them while the groups worked. These are 2 strategies of differentiated instruction I use in my classroom. I hope it gives you some ideas of how to use differentiated instruction in your classes.
So who was the party for? Yeah, who was the party for? Wolf? No, Wolf. Is it his birthday? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. That's my birthday. So you need to take the test. Okay. Okay. So what's the you? What do you think?